Good evening. It is Friday as I'm calling it today. It is Thursday, July 3rd. I'm calling it Friday because it's really Thursday according to the calendar, but it was my Friday today at work, so I'm calling it Friday. Anyway, tonight we're going to talk about some of the used to be crazy colors from the 80s that aren't quite so crazy with Younique products. With Younique products, there's a couple different ways you can apply them. The eyeshadow. You can use them dry, which make them very light. You can use them with water, which makes them a little brighter, or you can use them with Refreshed, our rose water product. That makes them even brighter. The example I'm going to use tonight is a bright, bright blue that I would call electric blue back from the 80s. Pretty scary color for someone of my age. But I'm going to put it on and show you exactly how you can show the different samples. So my brush does have a little rose water on it. As you can see, it's really, really bright. It's really bright, really kind of pretty. I'll put some on my cheek so you can see. I'm going to add a little more here. So I put it on my cheek, and you can really kind of see how it is bright. Might not be something that a lot of people would wear. I can also do just a powdered version of it, which is going to be lighter. Again, I'll put that right below my cheek. See, it's a little lighter, not quite, and I'll put some in my eye as well, so you can see what that looks like. Now, put it up there. See, so it's really light when you do it dry. And the third way you can use Younique eyeshadows and colors is by using water. This way gives it a kind of a mix between not quite so bright as it is with the rose water and a little brighter than it is with just dry. So you can get the brush just barely wet. I don't get it wet at all, hardly. And again, I typically just put the stuff right on the brush because it's a little less messy in my case. Tap it off and put it on. See, so it's there. You just can't see it that much. Let me see if I can get it to show a little bit more. So see, with the blue, with the water, it's there. You can definitely see it. You can definitely see it. But if you compare that to the dry, it's not quite as light. And then if you compare that to the rose water version, compare that to the rose water. Not to mention it kind of smells pretty, smell of roses. What woman doesn't like that? Or man for that matter. So you can kind of see the three different versions of it. You can see it really bright, a little lighter, and not hardly showing at all. And like I said, these are with rose water, and just dry. Depending on how much you add is how bright they're going to be. You can do this with all the colors. I'm using blue because that usually is one of the scariest colors. And you can see on my cheek, I kind of got the three different shades. The dry, rose water, a little bit of water over here. This one's water. So you can see what the differences in the versatility of our different shades. So if you have any questions, of course, feel free to ask and have fun and have a happy and safe 4th of July, all of you.